Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful to have you here with me today. I know that your time is valuable and that you have a lot of channels that you love to watch, and I am appreciative that you're going to be spending the next few minutes with me. If you enjoy what you're seeing, would you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Do you like sweets or salty food? I personally prefer salty food, but I love to bake. Go figure how crazy I am. So when the fall comes, I love to be baking things. If you have a favorite recipe, would you leave me a comment down below? Let me know what it is so I can try it out. Let me know, how are you holding on? What's in your mind lately? And do you enjoy the summer, or are you ready for the weather to cool off, for the rain to start dropping, and for the leaves to start changing colors? I use the Clorox wand to clean inside of the toilet, and I also love putting a gel stick inside of the toilet bowl. What are your favorite products to clean the toilet? I also, after I'm done cleaning everything, like to wipe everything with the glass cleaner, whatever glass cleaner you have. In this video I'm using the method, but I go all around because it does make everything more shiny and I like how it looks at the end. Now that we finished with the guest bathroom, we're moving into the kitchen to do a lot of dishes, and I am trying out these gloves that I picked up at Walmart, as well as this soap cleaner that I picked up in my local supermarket in the international aisle. This soap costs only $1.99. $2. And the reason I wanted to try it, it's because I have a friend who is from Peru and she always washes all her dishes, pots, and kitchen with this product. And sometimes we take for granted that the international aisles are loaded with products that sometimes are best than the ones that are currently trending. So I want to encourage you to visit your local international aisle and try a new product this week and let me know what did you find and how did you like it. And if you are already from a different country and you know that I can have access to one of your products, let me know in the comment below what it is because I would love to try it out. Cleaning with this soap. It smells like lime and I really love the fragrance. Now on the other hand, I did not think that the money I spent on the gloves was worth it. I felt that they're very hard to use. I have a bad shoulder and I felt that I had to use more elbow grease than I anticipated, and I personally do not like them, but you could go ahead and try them out and let me know what you think.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom. And you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
Mom of 3 children and their job is to wash their own dishes after they finish. However, when I'm gonna do a video to motivate you, I usually tell them you don't have to do your dishes right now. So this is why you see endless dishes here. But again, my children, they wash their own dishes every time they use them. What about your kids? Do they wash dishes? And if so, at what age did you start allowing your children to start washing their own dishes? We are gonna be almost done washing the dishes and cleaning the sink. Now, I did like using the gloves to scrub the faucet. That I really enjoy. And this part over here, for some reason, I really liked it. But other than that, like I explained before, I did not enjoy it. But what's coming up next is I am making a pumpkin coffee cake. And let me tell you, it came out amazing. But in the midst of it, there's a blooper, and I hope you crack out laughing because I thought I was done with the recipe. So stay tuned so you could watch the end of this video. This recipe I found on Pinterest, and I will link it down below because we should give credit what credit is due. Now, the one thing is that it requires a lot of spices, and I understand that perhaps you do not have all the spices in your cubbies, and I was thinking to myself, if I replace all the spices with the one spice that it's called allspice, if it will taste the same. I don't know. I am gonna try that next time, but the cake does taste delicious. When I was 14 years old, I actually did a little course from the Wilton School and learned how to bake cakes and decorate them, etc., etc. It was more like a vocational high school that I did the class at, and the point of the story is that because I learned how to bake certain dessert, every weekend I will sell them and people in my neighborhood will buy them. So I had like a little side hustle. Let me know if you were growing up, if you had a side hustler and what it was. And here's the part where I thought I was done with the cake and I put it in the oven, and then I turned around and read the recipe one more time and I was like, oh my gosh, let me take the cake back out. So just always know that the videos you're watching are edited. But I wanted to include that part because that makes us human. We make mistakes, and sometimes we're running and we're doing so many things at the same time, and we make mistakes, and it's okay. I was lucky enough that the cake was probably in the oven for like 10 seconds because I took it out right away.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
You also gonna see before you go my new mug that I made. Well, I made the stickers. I have a Cricut machine and I am obsessed. That thing, it's like super cool to create things. I don't like the fact that you have to pay an monthly membership for you to create, and I'm guessing it's fair for the people that sell items on Etsy, and because of copyright issues, I get it. I just don't think that I am that crafty, but I do love the machine. So stick around until the end so you could see my new mug that I created. And let me know what you think. My kids think that I'm annoying because I've been making little things for everyone these days. But let me know. Let me know what are your thoughts. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, before we go, I want to say thank you. Thank you because I know that I am a small channel growing and you're here in this journey with me, watching me over from your side. And I hope that today you found some encouragement, but I also hope that today you got to laugh at me, and that is okay. Thank you so much for being my friend and for hanging out with me. I usually upload on Thursday and Sunday, and I say usually because sometimes things happen, because I'm only human. I'm a single mom of 3, and I'm hustling as much as you are hustling to hold the drive and the house down. So if one day you don't see one of my videos, don't think I disappeared. Just know that life took over. But until next time, look at my cup. I am obsessed. Anyhow, reaching over the screen and giving you a virtual hug, and see you next time.